In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Confluence space for clarity and efficiency. First, get crystal clear on the main purpose of your space. Decide whether it's a knowledge base, a project hub, a team handbook, or something else. This purpose should guide every decision that follows, from what pages you create to how you name them. A quick tip is to write a one-sentence mission at the top of your homepage so everyone understands what belongs here and what doesn't. Next, create your main parent pages to represent the big categories that support that purpose. Think in broad buckets like policies, how-to guides, project documentation, or team information. Keep the number manageable so navigation stays simple. Your homepage can double as a landing page that introduces each category with a short description and a link, helping new visitors orient themselves immediately. Under each parent page, add child pages for the specific topics that fit naturally within that category. For example, within how-to guides, you might include onboarding, tool setups, and troubleshooting. Aim for pages that cover a single topic well, rather than long documents that mix unrelated content. As your library grows, build out additional layers of child pages only, where it helps people find information faster. Use clear, consistent page titles so content is easy to search and scan. Lead with action words for procedures like create a new project or restore a backup. For reference pages, use precise nouns such as incident severity levels, avoid internal acronyms unless they're widely understood, and include context like product or team names when it clarifies scope. Enhance discoverability and consistency with labels, templates, and a table of contents. Define a small shared set of labels to tag pages by topic, audience, or status. Use templates to standardize structure. For instance, a template for run books or meeting notes, so contributors don't start from scratch. Add a table of contents near the top of longer pages to give readers a quick map and reduce scrolling. Keep related pages grouped together so people can move logically from overview to detail. Place overview content at the parent level and link down to children. Cross-link sibling pages where it helps, and avoid scattering similar topics across multiple categories. Finally, review your structure regularly and clean up outdated pages. Set a recurring check-in monthly or quarterly to archive or update stale content. Fix broken links and consolidate duplicates. Add a last reviewed note to key pages and confirm ownership so it's always clear who should keep each page current. Follow these practices and your Confluence space will stay organized, searchable, and easy to maintain over time.